How to add delivery address in Bolt Food. Want your meal delivered to the right spot every time? Here's how to add or update your delivery address in Bolt Food. Tap your profile icon or go to the delivery addresses section from the main menu. Hit add new address. Then type in your street name or use the map pin to drop your exact location. Add details like apartment number or floor for easier delivery. You can save multiple addresses like home, office, or friends' place and select one before placing each order. Double check your address before checkout, especially if you move the pin manually. How many addresses do you have saved on Bolt Food? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can add delivery address in Bolt Food. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.